My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard, and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge my milkshake. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maya Johnson, and this is my channel. Duh. Okay, I'm literally on like 4 hours of sleep, probably a little bit less, but I had to jump on this camera to do a quick little review because I got some goodies in the mails from Busties. It's the breast tape, and I'm going to do a nice review for you guys because I need to let you know a little secret. My boobs, they're a little saggy, okay? They're a little hangity hang, you know? They got some downtime, you know? So I feel like, why not try to give y'all, not try, will give y'all an honest review on this breast tape because I'm the perfect candidate. My boobs are not perky anymore. I used to have some chef's kiss boobs, okay? And now, after 2 kids, they almost to my belly button. Nasty. Trifling. I mean, it's not nasty, but I don't like it. So, hopefully this will help. So what came in the box, I just not opened it. Well, you get a bag to put the tape in. Ooh, nice. And the pasties as well. The nipple covers. And we got pasties. And then the main attraction, the main event, the tape. Okay, this is the key right here. And then what is this? See, I'm literally doing like a whole honest review, I guess, because I just opened this box and I don't even know what's in here. I'm not sure what this is, but I'll get back to you guys. And just to stop, read back, okay? But how do I open it? Give me a second. Stop, read back. Okay. Oh, so they give you like a little test strip to make sure you're not allergic to this. Which I'm pretty sure I'm not allergic to it. But that's actually very nice and thoughtful. And then on the box, it says, your tatas called, they needed a lift. That's so cute. Oh, so cute. It's cruelty-free, no animal testing, locally owned. Join the fight for Breast Cancer Foundation. Yeah, you get 1 skin sensitivity test kit. You get 4 pairs of the sunflower nipple covers, 1 roll of breast tape, and then a pair of reusable silicone lifting nipple covers. So that's all that's in here. And I'm just gonna go for it. Like, I have a couple outfits that I want to wear. I have a Christmas party to go to tomorrow. So this dress, I have a guest dress that I thrifted. Tag still on it attached. So yeah, I love thrifting. So I really want to do that dress, but the my bra strap will show in this dress. So I'm gonna try the dress on without the tape to show you how low my tatas can go. And then I'm gonna try with the tape. So see if it's like lifting, you know? Okay, let's get on with the video. Okay, so this is the dress that I thrifted. You can see like she's not like up there, she's low. The back of the dress. So I'm gonna show you guys with the bra on as well. And the size, this is a small, I mean like extra small, but you know, thrift store, you got one of a kind, you know, like just one. So they do slide off. So if it was to slide off through the night, you can totally see my bra straps. I'm actually gonna try it on with the bra. I got a blue gel right here. I'm gonna try it on with so you guys can see, and then I'm gonna try it with the tape. Here's the dress on with the bra. You know, I got the lift, but you can totally see it. Even if I have a black bra on, you will see it. Like something that does not belong there. The straps. And it's kind of like a crossover bra too, so definitely cannot do that. I'm gonna look really stupid. So my best to hide it, but it literally slipped out. So there's coverage, but it's just not like the coverage that I need because of the bra straps, and the strap in the back is showing. So let's try it with the tape. I'm nervous. I want it to work. So let's give it a try. Okay, this is what it looks like with the tape. I did do it wrong on the sides, but don't look at that. Just look at the front. Like, she's lifting, giving cleavage, okay? Bend over. Yeah. And then from the side view, perky. She's perky. I meant to cut because I did one piece too long on this side. Hopefully I don't get monetized for showing you, but I did do it wrong in the back. I did it way too much, and then I reused it because I was putting it on wrong, and then it raveled, and I tried to put it back. So this piece is not really helping, but other than that, don't mind that part, okay? But I did it, so, you know, I taped it. I don't know, she's lifting, she's getting what she's supposed to give. I can feel the tape, like, just a little bit right here, maybe because how I did it, but everywhere else, I don't feel it, like, on my nipples, like, the actual breast part. Like, she's lifting. Ooh, this dress is kind of big, but she's lifting, you know? So I kind of like it. She's doing what she's supposed to do, okay? So I did use like 6 strips of these, like these actual sizes, and what it's doing is I literally taped it like all the way, grabbed another one all the way. I did it kind of my own way, okay? So it probably would have been better if I would have followed the directions. It's fine. Now all I need is some tape for my butt to just go like whoop, you know? But that's another story. I'll try the other top on with the tape on to see how it looks. I have not worn it yet. You can see she's slow. Like, yeah. So this is like, it's supposed to be like that, and she's slow. Back. But I'm gonna try this with the tape. Okay, this is the other top. Giddy. Look, and she's staying in place. Like, she's staying in place. Huh? Go Maya, go Maya. She's staying in place. Like, do me wrong, you can see the tape right there, but that's because I did it my way. But if I would have followed the directions, it would have been perfect, okay? But it's still perfect because the tatas are not moving. They're not moving. The tape is doing the job. So, and I never told you guys my bra size. My bra size is a 34 double D. I thought it was a triple D for the longest, but I think, where did my bra go? 34 double D. I was a 36 when I was breastfeeding, but when I stopped, it, you know, there's no more milk, so it's not full anymore. So it just drooped down as the milk was drying up. So left me with orangutan tatas, but it's fine. So because I got this tape, I'm going to use this tape. I'm going to use my pasties. Period. I'm going to use all of it, okay? So thank you, Busty, for sending me this tape, because I am in love with it, because it actually works, okay? Because some of these bras out here do not work, okay? With my boobs, because I have loose tissue from breastfeeding, and my boobs are not functioning right, okay? I mean, they're functioning, but they're not doing what it's supposed to when it comes to wearing outfits and trying to be a bad girl out here, okay? It's not working. But I can wear this top and a whole bunch of other tube tops that I got. Yeah, period. You better come get you one of these. Superior. Yeah, I probably think I'm so cringy. I'm sorry. I told you guys, I'm running on 4 hours of sleep, so I'm kind of slap happy right now. So, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment below what you guys want to see next. And if you're going to go get you some Busty tape, because I highly recommend you should. You should do it. You know why? And I have easy access for you, actually. Go ahead and click that link in my bio, because it's right there. You can just go ahead and click it, and it goes straight to the website. And you can just go ahead and click some tape and order it to your house. We need to save the boobs. We need to lift them up. And guess what? It's snowing outside. And guess who gonna wear this outside? Me. Because I don't care.
swear, a bad girl never gets cold. We don't get cold. We slaying outside in the winter, all winter long. Period. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.